The TOGUARD 10-inch dual-lens wireless CarPlay screen from Aliexpress represents a significant leap forward in in-car technology, offering a variety of camera configurations, wireless connectivity options, and compatibility with major smartphone platforms. It caters to a wide range of user preferences. The 360 degrees rotatable lens adds a practical touch, allowing users to tailor their recording angles according to their specific needs. The TOGUARD 10-inch monitor features a dual-lens camera system, offering versatility in recording options. Users can choose between a 2.5K front camera paired with a 1080p AHD rear camera, a 2.5K front camera with a 1080p AHD inner camera, or opt for only the 2.5K front camera, based on their preferences and needs. With both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, this device allows seamless wireless connections. Enjoy the convenience of Android Auto, Apple Carplay, Android Cast, and Apple Airplay without the hassle of cables. Wireless FMO connections further enhance the audio experience. The TOGUARD 10-inch monitor is designed to support Apple devices with iOS 6 and above, Android devices with version 11 and above, as well as Google devices running version 8 and above. The camera lens on this dual lens system is designed for flexibility, providing a 360 degrees rotation. This feature allows users to capture the perfect angle for both front and interior views, ensuring comprehensive coverage. TOGUARD introduces a game-changing device, the 10-inch dual-lens wireless CarPlay screen. Available on Aliexpress, this multifunctional unit integrates seamlessly into your car, providing a dynamic fusion of entertainment, convenience, and safety features. Boasting compatibility with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Android Cast, and Apple Airplay, this dashboard marvel opens up a world of possibilities for tech-savvy drivers.